Ikea released so many new products in 2026. We covered some of them in my last video, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm Man, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off strong with lighting, and the first new piece I want to show you is the SOLVINDEN LED decorative light in this gorgeous white mesh globe version. This one is such a vibe. The airy mesh design creates a soft, dreamy glow that instantly makes any space feel more cozy and intentional. It's battery operated, so you can place it literally anywhere, indoors or outdoors, without worrying about cords. I just love how this one looks. Another new mesh light from that same collection is this funky pendant lamp in orange and green. This one's just such an upgrade. The mesh shade gives off this beautiful diffused glow, and the bold colors make it feel playful and unique, nothing like your typical boring overhead fixture. It instantly adds such a vibe to any room. It's especially great for kitchens, entryway, or cozy corners that need that extra little life. And another one from the SOLVINDEN collection is this funky little lantern in light green. I just like this one so much. I like the shape of it and the pop of color, and just can't wait to see it in stores. Now, speaking of lamps and lights, there is actually something huge Ikea just announced that I just need to tell you about. Ikea and Sabine Marcellis are officially moving the iconic Varmblix collection into its next chapter, and I'm honestly obsessed and can't wait for it. They actually announced smart upgrades to the iconic donut lamp, think color shifting light and dimmable settings that will let you completely change the mood of a space with just one tap. So we have the donut lamp in so many new colors and shades. I just can't wait. This launch is actually planned for April 2026, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because you know I will be the first one to cover it once it's in stores. And if you're anything like me and love statement lighting that feels like art, this collab just keeps getting better, and I just can't wait. Now, the next new Ikea find that actually just got released is this gorgeous sofa. Ikea haven't released many new sofas lately, so you can imagine my excitement when seeing this one in stores. This one strikes a beautiful balance between modern minimalism and everyday comfort. I mean, just look at these warm, neutral tones, making it instantly easy to style, while the deep seat and soft cushions give you that I could nap here vibe. I love this sofa so much. It's just stylish enough to be a centerpiece of your living room, but sturdy and comfy to actually live on. All in all, a really solid new sofa from Ikea this year. And speaking of furniture, Ikea also released a few new recliner chairs that just look so good and feel unbelievably comfy. The first one is the SKULNÄS Recliner and Swirl Chair, and yes, it's as dreamy as it sounds. These chairs give you two of the best features in one: a smooth rocking base and a full 360 swirl, so you can lean back, turn toward the TV, or chat with friends without missing a beat. The cushioned seat and relaxed silhouette makes it feel like a cozy hug after a long day, while the design still looks modern and stylish in your living room. I love the shape of it, and the colors are just on point. And the other one is in a more traditional style, and let me tell you, this one feels just next level in terms of comfort. It also combines a smooth rocking motion with a full 360 swirl, but with a slightly plushier, more enveloping silhouette that makes you want to sink right in. The design is modern and approachable, but still looks cozy and inviting, which is perfect for living rooms, reading nooks, or anywhere you want a comfy focal point. Plus, this one in Hakebo grey green is just everything you need. The next new Ikea find for 2026 is a fresh outdoor find, and that is this gorgeous chair that comes in light grey and green. This one has that clean Scandinavian silhouette, perfect for chilling on your balcony, patio, or backyard. It looks modern and fresh. If you want outdoor seating that looks like it belongs in a designer magazine, not just backyard furniture, this one is such a good pick. Plus, this off-white color is just everything. And speaking of furniture pieces, another new Ikea 2026 find is this nightstand, which is such a sleek and stylish bedside pick at $89.99. This one feels so elevated with its clean lines and minimalist design, making it look effortlessly modern in any bedroom setup. It's got just enough storage to keep your nighttime essentials tucked away and adds functionality without feeling heavy. Another new cabinet Ikea just dropped is the Ikea cabinet, and at $69.99, this one is such a smart little storage piece. It's clean, simple, and the perfect size for living rooms, entryways, or even as extra kitchen storage. The white and wood makes it easy to style with almost any decor, and the doors keep clutter out of sight for a tidy, minimalist look. All in all, a really versatile and affordable new Ikea find. A new desk at Ikea this year is this pine two-tone desk. This one comes in both black and white, and I honestly love both of them and can't decide which one is my favorite. This one nails that perfect balance of clean modern design and everyday function. It's spacious enough for a laptop and all your work essentials, but sleek and compact enough to fit anywhere. Such a solid new desk that feels simple and timeless. There are a lot of new products in the Mavin collection this year, and although we won't cover all of them, one of my favorite ones is actually this beautiful jute laundry basket. This one's not only super sturdy, but the natural jute texture adds a warm, stylish touch to any room. I also love the black details. They give it so much interest and character. It's perfect for keeping your laundry out of sight while still looking well styled, and it's one of those pieces that's both practical and just totally Instagram worthy. Another new gem from the Mavin collection is also this new jute pendant lamp. This one's got that natural jute vibe that instantly warms up a space, and the open weave design casts just the most gorgeous soft patterns of light. It's functional, stylish, and just totally elevates any room. And speaking of lights, the next new Ikea find is this lantern for pillar candles made from bamboo. This one is just such a charming piece of decor that instantly adds a cozy, warm glow to any space. This lantern casts the most beautiful light that warms up any space. This one also comes as a tea light holder too for $6.99, and it's just such a nice little piece of decor. And we're finishing off with a collection made especially for kids, and that's the Humae-san collection. This collection is just such a thoughtful release. I love it so much. It's actually a kids' bathroom collection. Think playful colors, simple shapes, and smart details designed to help the little ones feel more independent in the everyday routines. The first adorable piece from this collection is this cute light green soap dispenser designed with little hands in mind. This one looks so chunky and just so cute, yet it's easy to press, sturdy, and the soft green color feels playful without being too loud. It's perfect for encouraging kids to wash their hands on their own while still looking cute and cohesive on the bathroom sink. Another one is this bright little mug in orange, which looks so chunky and just so cute, and it's perfect for rinsing, holding toothbrushes, or even bedtime play. The bold color makes it so easy to spot, and it instantly adds a playful touch to the bedroom. Also, this matching mirror, I mean, how cute is this? A kid height mirror that sticks right onto tiles with a suction cup. No drilling needed. It's just perfect for brushing teeth, pulling funny faces, and just making kids feel included in their daily routines. And the last product I have for you from this collection is this timer that looks so adorable. Just stick it on the wall or mirror and turn toothbrushing or hand washing into a fun little game. It just helps kids stay on track while the playful colors make it feel more like a toy than a rule. Loving this collection so much. And that's a wrap for today. I really hope you liked these new Ikea finds for 2026. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. Next week, we are going to some new Ikea hidden gems you have actually never seen and probably don't know exist, so you definitely want to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Okay guys, are you ready for this? Here is Mars, just chilling here, and right over there is Zara. Hi Zara, you've been so good today. You're just such a little rascal every day, but today you were so good that we decided to let you in to just listen to the video. Maybe we can set up a bed right next to Mars, right there. Sarah, you're just such a lady. You're just such a lady. You're just such a smart little lady. Oh, oh. Mars, have you adjusted with life with Zara? Also, guys, I still have the Christmas tree, so please, no judgment. No judgment, please. Bye-bye, guys. Bye.